Hey guys, Tim with the Tesla channel, and today we're gonna go over the storage locker inside the vault and see if it's actually sealed enough to hold the valuable stuff in there. So if you do get rain in your vault, will a storage locker leak in there and get your stuff all wet? Let's take a look. Okay, so I have a bucket, 5-gallon bucket, half full of water. Here's your storage locker. And it does have a seal around the edge of the lid, right? So we put some stuff in here. It's obviously got a plug down below, which is really easy to grab. You just turn it and pull, and you can drain water out of here. So let's see if we pour water on here, if we get any water ingress into here. And yeah, that'll be interesting. All right, here we go. 5-gallon bucket, half full of water. We're gonna dump it all over here and see if any water gets inside the storage locker. Let's go. Let's see what we got. Moment of truth. Besides the water droplets dripping in there right now, it was dry as a bone. Very, very cool. Just like this is sealed, so you guys can put valuables in there in case you leave your tunnel cover open during rain, or somehow water gets in there. Everything inside your storage locker is 100% sealed, and you're good to go to leave stuff in there. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.